Welcome to today's paper reading. Today's paper is titled, Animal Avatars, Reconstructing Animatable 3D Animals from Casual Videos. This paper was published on AR14 by Remy Sabathier and colleagues from Mitra and University College London. In this paper, the authors introduce a new method designed to address problem X with a focus on efficiency. This method is particularly effective for diverse datasets. The key contributions of this work include improved accuracy, reduced computational cost, and enhanced scalability. Experimental results demonstrate that this method outperforms existing approaches, offering significant time savings and broad applicability. The reconstruction of animatable dog avatars from monocular videos presents several challenges due to the unpredictable non-rigid movements and diverse appearance details of animals. To address these issues, the authors propose a 4D solution that jointly solves for the animal's pose variation and its appearance in a canonical pose. This approach significantly improves template-based shape fitting by incorporating continuous surface embeddings, CSE, and an implicit duplex mesh texture model. The method demonstrates superior results on the COP3D and APTV2 datasets, outperforming existing template-free and template-based approaches. Figure 1 illustrates our template-based method for reconstructing animatable 3D dog avatars from monocular videos. The process involves reconstructing the shape beta, motion theta t, and texture psi. We tackled the challenge of insufficient supervision for unconventional views by integrating continuous surface embeddings with an articulated mesh. Additionally, we introduce a novel implicit duplex mesh texture model, which is jointly optimized alongside the motion parameters. This approach ensures a comprehensive and detailed reconstruction of the dog's avatar, addressing the complexities of non-rigid animal movements and diverse appearance details. In the field of 3D animal reconstruction, several parametric models have been developed. The SMAL model for humans is trained on real 3D scans, while the SMAL model for quadrupeds is trained on toy animal scans. These models differ significantly in their training data and expressiveness. Regarding datasets, Stanford Extra provides dog images with annotations, but lacks diversity. COP3D, on the other hand, offers a more extensive collection of pet videos with high viewpoint variability. Various reconstruction methods have been explored, including template-based approaches like SMAL, and template-free setups that analyze collections of images or videos. Differentiable rendering has also supported the analysis by synthesis method for animal reconstruction from single videos. Figure 2 provides an overview of the method used for reconstructing animatable 3D animals from casual videos. The process is divided into two stages. Initially, the root pose G0T is initialized using the perspective endpoint, PNP, algorithm with random sample consensus, RANSAC, leveraging continuous surface embeddings, CSE, mesh pixel correspondences. This step ensures accurate initial pose estimation. In the second stage, the method jointly optimizes the shape parameters beta, time-varying pose parameters theta t, and implicit texture psi. This optimization is achieved through an analysis by synthesis approach, which integrates multiple loss signals, mask loss mask, dense correspondence loss say, and photometric loss photo. The optimized models are highlighted in orange, indicating the significant role of these components in achieving high-quality 3D animal reconstruction. This two-stage process and the use of diverse loss terms collectively enhance the accuracy and realism of the reconstructed 3D animal models. The method begins with defining the 3D shape representation using the SMAL model, which includes parameters for deformation and pose. This model is adapted to represent time-varying deformations by estimating pose coefficients for each frame. For appearance representation, the method employs a double-mesh implicit texture model, which includes an opacity function and a radiance function to accurately capture the texture of the animal body. The optimization process involves two stages: pose initialization to ensure convergence, and shape fitting to optimize all shape parameters using a comprehensive loss function that includes CSE keypoint loss, sparse keypoint loss, photometric loss, chamfer mask loss, and shape regularizers. Figure 3 illustrates the process of aligning the CSE mesh template with the SMAL template to establish a CSE coordinate frame over the SMAL mesh. This alignment, combined with a pre-trained image to CSE predictor, enables the establishment of dense correspondences between surface points of the SMAL template and the corresponding image pixels. The figure highlights that the CSE detections provide dense correspondence covering all parts of the dog body, contrasting with the sparse keypoints which do not offer the same comprehensive coverage. Figure 4 introduces a novel deformable implicit shape model. This model employs radiance and opacity functions, psi c and psi sigma, defined within an R3 subspace bounded by a canonical duplex mesh with vertices V and V. The rendering process involves the array marching over a canonical ray RU, which is derived by transforming the intersections of the viewspace ray RU with the posed duplex mesh F, V beta, theta, F, V beta, theta, into the canonical space. This method allows for the accurate rendering of the posed duplex mesh's color, leveraging the defined functions to color and annotate the space based on the direction of observation. Figure 5 presents a qualitative comparison of reconstructed meshes from different methods. Notably, the meshes reconstructed by RAC are far from the actual shape of a dog, unlike those from template-based approaches. This figure highlights the differences in shape accuracy among the methods. For a comprehensive evaluation of temporal consistency, viewers are directed to the result videos provided in the caption. In this section, we discuss the datasets used for our experiments. We evaluate our models on COP3D, which includes 50 dog videos, and APTV2, which contains 39 sequences of dogs. Both datasets are evaluated at a resolution of 256 by 256. For metrics, we use IOU, PSNR, and PIPS on COP3D to assess shape and texture quality, and AirTrack on APTV2 to measure tracking error. Additionally, we report the worst 5% variance of PSNR and IOU. We compare our results against baseline models, specifically BARC and BITE, which are template-based reconstructors, and RAC as a comparison model. Figure 6 illustrates the process of texture transfer in reanimated models. The key feature demonstrated is the ability to reanimate models optimized on a scene using template articulations. This process involves projecting both shape and motion from one optimized scene to other textures, showcasing the versatility and adaptability of the method. The figure highlights the effectiveness of this technique in maintaining the integrity and quality of the reanimated models, providing a clear visual representation of the texture transfer process. Table 1 presents the average results from experiments conducted on 50 sequences from COP3D and 39 sequences from APTV2. The quality of pose estimates is evaluated using IOU, IUW5, and AirTrack metrics, while the appearance quality is assessed through PSNR, PSNRW5, and UPIPS metrics. It is important to note that BARC and BITE models only estimate pose, hence their appearance quality cannot be evaluated, as indicated by times in the table. The table highlights the performance of various models in terms of both pose and appearance quality, providing a comprehensive comparison of their capabilities. In this paper, the authors proposed a novel method for generating textured animatable 3D mesh models from a monocular video of a dog. The method augments the animatable small mesh template with continuous surface embeddings to establish a surface coordinate system. This, combined with a pre-trained image to CSE predictor, allows for accurate image-to-mesh correspondences, leading to more accurate fits. The better shape fitting enables the optimization of an implicit opacity color texture supported by a scaffold defined by the mesh in its rest pose. Experimental results show superior performance compared to existing template-free and template-based approaches on the challenging COP3D dataset. The optimization process simultaneously learns the shape, motion, and texture of a sequence, with the implicit duplex mesh model being progressively refined via the photometric loss. Table 2 presents an ablation study on the COP3D dataset, detailing the performance metrics IOU, PSNR, and PIPS when various loss terms are removed and without camera motion factorization. The table includes metrics for models without individual loss terms such as chamfer, say, keypoint, color, larip, and ledge, as well as without the camera motion factorization camp equals G0t. The results show a performance drop across all metrics when any lost term is removed, confirming the importance of each lost term. Additionally, the table highlights a significant decrease in performance when the camera motion factorization is ignored, justifying the use of this factorization in the model. Table 3 evaluates the performance of our method against RAC reference approach comparison on the COP 3D dataset with varying train/test frame splits. The metrics used for evaluation include IOU, intersection over union, PSNR, peak signal-to-noise ratio, and LPIPS, learn perceptual image patch similarity. Our method consistently outperforms RAC across different splits, demonstrating superior robustness and accuracy. Specifically, our method achieves higher IOU and PSNR values, indicating better overlap and image quality, and lower LPIPS values, suggesting a closer perceptual similarity to the ground truth. This consistent performance across varying splits highlights the strength and reliability of our approach in handling different levels of supervision and data availability. Thank you for watching.